The supporters' hundreds in England have come at number 4. One against Kenya in the World Cup. This is first against England here. Now he's decided to cut loose. Simple improvisation. And a boundary to end the over. 269 for 4. Last ball of the innings. Looking to work it away on the onside, but this is a very good performance by India.
And he doesn't miss a game where his dad is playing. Bottom hand coming into play, finding the gap. 100-run partnership this.
Dhoni is the call. He's hit it in the air. Fina trying to get underneath it. And he's gone all the way.
Now just watch this backlift and watch the follow through at the moment of impact. There you go. That'll do. I'm not quite sure what he did there, but it's very, very effective. He almost swung himself off his feet. Tries it again. Surely be one. There is only one.